Hi, my name is Marvin Howell. I'm at Stellhorn RV, getting to do a walkthrough through a Salem FSX Platinum. We're going to do a walkthrough and explain little things about the camper and features. Here, this is your outside furnace. You're going to have a vent only. One's exhaust and one's intake. Here we have your freshwater fill. So if you're going to fill your freshwater tank to take with you on to the campground. And this here we have an on-demand water heater. And we have your on and off switch out here. This is basically for when you're going for storage and you're not going to be using it for a while. You'll want to turn it off out here. And then we'll explain more on the inside when we get to the control panel. Then you have an outside receptacle here, which is GFI protected. Then here we have your outside shower. So you got hot and cold running water out here. And here we got an outside kitchen. So you got a cooktop out here, and it's LP. And then back over here in the storage unit, we got a 110 refrigerator. And then we have your electric awning up here with LED lighting. And we'll get to more, we'll run that out when we're on the inside. Then we have your cable jack out here. Then on each corner, you're going to have a stabilizer jack, and it takes a 3/4 socket, or it comes with a tool to raise and lower it. And over here we have your city water. It's going to be a white valve. That's for your fresh water or your city water. And that's going to be the campground water. And then the one above it is your black water clean out. It's going to clean out your black water tank, which is your toilet. Then you got your plug-in 110. This is a 30 amp plug. So you don't have a whole lot of power, so just be aware of how much power you have or using. And down here we got your dump valves. Your gray valve here is gray water, which would be your sinks and your shower. This one over here is black, which is going to be your toilet. And you have your storage space, and this goes all the way through. And up here you have a 20-pound LP bottle. That's for running your stove and your furnace. And then your battery is here, which is your 12-volt system. It will run your lights inside, which are 12-volt. And this is your solar panel plug. So if you want an outside solar panel, you plug it in here.
Thank you for watching. Click below to find out more about all things RVs. If you have any questions about the functions explained in the video, give us a call or visit our website, which can all be found in the description below.
Discover the unseen.